this is the last few weeks for the auto. Last week, I
Not for
think.
the auto, but I hope.
Yeah. I think this week we're getting another auto already. Init.
Even. Ja, doe ik dadelijk, maar anders kan ik de gordel niet bij. Even wachten.
Maar daarvoor, dat jullie gaan zitten daar.
Je hebt een zonnebril als je daar ook nodig hebt.
Good morning. Good, sama Ana. Good morning, titas. Oh, good morning, pa.
I have yourself and this one chocolate.
And then, magbisaya ko nimo ha. Magbisaya na ko nimo. Ha?
Beetje Bisaya praten.
Dat kan ik niet.
En we
Yeah,
oefenen.
Mama will speak Bisaya with you. You can answer back in English or Dutch. English.
I have this one and then I this chocolate.
Mix na yung anak ko.
And then I
I have
I
this
have
son.
drink.
Huh?
And then I have drink.
You have a drink? What's your drink? Tubig?
Water.
Tubig.
And
Say tubig.
topic.
Oh, and anchohos. Tanohos. Anchohos.
De chokers.
Maayong buntag, mayong udto. Let's try to do Bisaya vlog today. Yeah, I know. Excuse my language. May nagpark doon, parang hinarangan niya yung ano ba, yung blind na curve. Blind spot. Charot. Mama will speak Bisaya with Ana. Lang no? It's really beautiful. These flowers. Gusto ko yan. Padong mi karon sa Eindhoven. Kaya na ako'y ikita dito na akong kuan. Kauban sa una nga Vietnamese niya. Wala na nagtrabaho dito sa akong gitrabahoan pa. So ako siya kita ulo na taon-taon na mi nagkakita. Mama is speaking Bisaya, love.
Ah, is lekker zandje.
Ihatod ra ko aning duha. They're just taking me to Eindhoven.
Ik heb geen jas mee.
Jawel,
Where?
hier.
The purple
Nee,
one.
bij de andere kant bij mama plek.
Pindot ang weather karon. Makamingaw man magbisaya. Oy, makabisaya ra ko no kung magstorya mi sa akong mama. Kapoy sige in English pod usahay, mag-Dutch pag yun, mag-Tagalog pag yun ko. Magkamingaw magbisaya. Maong magbisaya tarong ano, aning video ha. Kumusta kayong lahat? Ana? Ashley.
Wat, lekker.
Kumusta di ay mong tanan?
Lekker.
The thing is, so kasi because nagbisaya ko, so I'll try na magbutang og subtitle. So
Hier heb je ja, koeien, Anna. Kijk, je hebt koe.
editing this video will take longer compared to how I edit or how long I edit my usual videos. Init cute, pero kung nakasasakyan na, init siya, pero kung nakas gawas, medyo ma-feel nimo ang breeze, ma-feel nimo ang tugnaw. How cold is it?
Koud.
13 degrees. Di siya, if you notice sa akong vlogs these days, pirmi ka ni akong sulob kay kuan man kanang pwede siya sa dili kay siya alimuot kung init-init unya dili pud siya ingon anak katugnaw kung sana it also keeps me a little bit warm ba when it's a little bit cold. Last day of Pass Pop. Last night ng Pass Pop. Are you okay? Just waiting for the chocolate. I haven't opened it.
Niet opeten, mama. Niet opeten.
I'm holding the camera lang, so I'm opening with one hand. Oh, it's already open. Oh, you try to open it a little bit more. That's the same as your auto. Be, ambil na lang na be. Saya lang tapangga ha para maanad kag Bisaya when we go to Cebu. Yeah? Yeah, I mean, it's okay. Mama will try to speak with you in Bisaya, but then, so you just, get used to Bisaya. You don't have to speak in Bisaya.
Yes, kan ook Bisaya.
You can answer Mama in English, yeah? Sometimes I forget that I have to speak in Bisaya with her. Anyway, kita-kita na lang ta dito sa Eindhoven, no? Buyog ta ninyo. Buyog ta mo, pero di lang kayo ko mag-vlog mayo because the Vietnamese friend that I'm meeting today, she's not comfortable, taking videos pa. Di siya kayo comfortable na videohan siya or picturean siya. I don't know. She's not a big fan of social media and I respect that. She doesn't have Facebook, Instagram. Hindi siya hilig. And last time when I was gonna take pictures of both of us when we were on our break at work, she said, "Oh, I'm sorry, I'm not into pictures." So I thought, "Oh, it's okay." So di lang, ako lang medyo kuan siguro niya. It's a little bit uncomfortable to speak Bisaya. It's a little bit weird
What?
to speak Bisaya.
I don't know. I don't speak it.
No, I mean, of course, I still know my language. I'm so good at my language, but I just find it a little bit weird and nice in a weird way to speak my language. Because every day is just Dutch and English, Dutch and English,
Wat die eten?
and Tagalog when I vlog. Nasa city na po ako, andin. Tumitingin-tingin ako dito sa mga bags. Ang cute naman ito. Parang bayong ba? Cute nyo eh. Thank you, Will. Ashley, Will. Free chocolate. From Rafaelo, di ba? Paborito natin yan.
A few moments later.
Hello, tapos na po kami doon sa Centrum and andito na ako pa, naglalakad na po ako papunta sa bus station. Daming bike dito. Kakababa ko lang po ng bus and naglalakad na tayo ngayon papunta sa bahay. Andun daw yung kaibigan ni Ruth na kakarating lang galing sa Thailand. And then, I think in a good hour, si Ruth na din ang aalis kasi may dinner appointment sila nung kaibigan niya. So kami na lang ni Ana mamaya. Sobrang nag-enjoy naman ako sa chika namin. Tagal namin hindi nagkita. First time din namin lumabas na wala sa work ba. Pulis ka!
Nu horen maar piastrep horen, maar niet die andere.
Niet die andere, maar de Nederlander is derde. Na, hi titas! Si Ruth po ay andun wala pa. Si Ruth nga pala wala pa. Andun pa sa dinner appointment niya. 8:30 na po dito. Hindi ko minamadali siya na matulog kasi bakasyon to ng whole week. And Monday bukas holiday po. So wala akong trabaho. Happy ako. Happy Champion! Tapos may ubo kaming dalawa ni Ana. Ano ba yan? Nanonood kami ng Formula 1 ngayon. I have no gewone. Do you like Piastri? You like him, the oranje guy?
Weet ik niet.
Nou, dat is de Nederlander, deze Max Verstappen.
Met die rode shirt.
Nee, met de zwart.
Zwart?
Is die zwart?
Ja, het
Ja,
is zwart.
hij is Nederlander.
En dan rode.
Roda is van Italië. Van Ferrari.
Moet hij die Italia spreken?
Hij heet Leclerc.
Doet die Italia spreken?
Oh, hij doet Italiaans spreken natuurlijk. So, magbabay na talang. Say, madoy-doy na sa titas. Thank you for watching today, titas.
Thank you for watching.
See you next time.
See you next time.
Mush, mush, babush.
Bye bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye bye.